What's up, everybody? It is your girl Glenda with Whatcha Cookin Glenda, and we are back with another grocery haul, y'all. It's been a minute. I have missed y'all. We're trying to get these videos prepared. I have so many videos in the chamber, so please stay tuned. And this grocery haul is a no meat grocery haul, y'all. No meat grocery haul. All right. So welcome back. And let's get started. All right, y'all, here's like a little overview, and we are not done. There's still something in that bag back there. All right, and I got stuff down here. So let's start right here on my little bench right here. We got some Tangelos. I bought 5 Tangelos right here in this bag. Grabbed some, and y'all, this was a curbside pickup, okay? I know I always say I grabbed, but they grabbed. This is just some Texas size hamburger buns, a 6-count. Then we got some fresh broccoli florets right here. And then my husband told me just to get these little berry crunches. Y'all know Berry Crunch, okay? That's like that off-brand Captain Crunch. All right, let's move over here because they didn't have the family Captain Crunch, the family bag. So y'all seen, everybody must have seen so far that TikTok challenge where, or not even a challenge, but it's just a TikTok video with the cinnamon rolls, the heavy cream and all that. So yeah, I'm going to do that challenge and put a little twist on it. I keep calling it a challenge. That video and put a little twist on it. Y'all know I gotta put my twist on it. And then you guys will get to see that video. So I picked up 2 of these Grand's cinnamon rolls. And they have with the cream cheese icing in them. Behind it is some corn tortillas over here. This is a 36 count of eggs, large eggs, some bananas. I try to order them green, so it just gives us time to eat them. Then this is gonna be, of course, you see that it's a box of lasagna. And so I will be filming a video for this lasagna. It's gonna be a vegetable lasagna. And then back here, we have some bagels for a snack or breakfast or whatever have you. It is cinnamon raisin bagels. And then back here, and I know that I'm missing some, but I've got 2 Chunky Garden Pragos. I actually have 2 of the fresh mushroom, but like I said, there's other things in these other bags. All right, so here we have some black plums. All right, let me put this back over here. And then y'all listen, I picked up, I asked them to get me an eggplant. I'm glad. I had 2 of them on my list, and I'm glad that I didn't get 2 because this thing is little, y'all. Look at this little old thing right here. This thing is little. It's little. Okay, so now we also have a big bag. This is a 5-pound bag, if I'm not mistaken, of jasmine rice. Yep, 5-pound bag. Y'all see that right there. 5-pound bag of jasmine rice. Grabbed some grapes. They taste pretty good. 2 bags of this penne rigate pasta. That's just the penne pasta, y'all. Also got 4 peaches. And then some salad things. Y'all know I love my cracked black pepper salad. Back here we have 3 bags of these on the border nacho chips. Actually, I ordered 2 because they were 2 for $6, the bigger bags, and they must have been out, so they gave me 3 of these smaller bags. Back here is some Doritos. party size, some Ruffles that are cheddar sour cream Ruffles, and again, I do have some more chips somewhere. We'll get to that. Back here in this corner, you see my coffee filters, my Crystal Light. This is the 6-pack. We make pictures of this Crystal Light. Very, very good. If you're not getting Crystal Light, it's a good, very good sugar-free drink. And then back here is the raspberry lemonade, also the 6-count. And then in the camera's view, you see the the black beans, the Bush's black beans right here. I got 4 cans of that. A bag of avocados. Up front here, I've got some baby spring mix for my salads. And then also some baby spinach that's gonna go into some different recipes that are vegetarian-based recipes. So I'm gonna tell y'all now a few recipes that you're gonna get, because we want to give it a try. Let me flip the camera. Trying to just give it a try and see how we like it. I don't want to say that we are gonna be vegetarians. I'm gonna just say that we're not eating meat. So the next few recipes that you all may see may be meatless recipes. So I hope that y'all enjoy them and that I can put my spin and as much flavor on it as I would my recipes with meat. So yeah, you're gonna be seeing those coming up pretty soon. So stay tuned for the meatless meals as well. Okay, back to the grocery haul. So that's why you see so many vegetables, y'all. Bag of avocados. They look pretty green and hard, so that's good. I can let them ripen up some. Picked up 2 of these sliced baby bella mushrooms. These are the 8 ounces. So we grabbed 2 of those. Up here we've got our cherub, however you pronounce it. Salad tomatoes, again for my salads, or our salads. Got some sun-dried, julienne cut tomatoes. Okay, they have Italian herbs in them, and that's about how they look. They look to be in an oil. Let me see if I can get y'all a good picture. I love sun-dried tomatoes. Back here, got some Lowry's teriyaki marinade with pineapple juice in it. So we're gonna see. I grabbed this just to give it a shot and see like what I can create with this marinade that's just gonna be vegetable based. All right, so back here, some Thousand Island, Curtis, and my husband love Thousand Island dressing. Then you see 2 of these, y'all, my hand was in the way. 2 of these seedless cucumbers. Let me see if I could get oh, they don't say, but they are seedless cucumbers. Got 2 of those. And then back there, and Curtis is here, so he's gonna probably have to take out the rest of that stuff. But the rest of our items, we got some Roma tomatoes right there, a bag of lemons. Okay, bag of lemons. Over here, we've got some things to create some meals with, some White Wings flour tortillas. Also have some Mama Mary's pizza crust. This is a 3-count. And then I also got a 3-count of the thin and crispy pizza crust. And then under that is some grande burrito size extra large flour tortillas. All right, put that back together. Now, back here, I'm gonna try to zoom in some. This is some squash, you guys. I got 4 fresh squash, and then this is 2 very nice sized grapefruits right there. I've got about 3 red bell peppers, 4 green bell peppers, some gold potatoes and red potatoes are also back there. And then you see a bag of red apples. apples. All right. So that's part one. So we gotta get this put up, and I will come back in just a minute to show you the rest. All right, that's part one. All right, y'all, so we back. All right, Curtis is right there. Say hey, Curtis. Hi. We are taking some more things out the bag, so he's doing that. Let me start over here though. So right here, I told y'all, listen, I gotta have my cheeses. So we are going through the trying to eat no meat, but I ain't gonna be able to give cheese that quick. So we got some Kraft singles right here, some Kobe Monterey Jack. All these are gonna be like, of course, for some different recipes, because what I was trying to do is meal prep, y'all. That's something new as well. Picked up some hoisin sauce. Those are gonna be for some Chinese dishes that you will probably see. Some oyster sauce, some white sesame oil, also some fish sauce. We have some Panda Express Mandarin teriyaki sauce and some picante sauce. Back here we got some quick oats, some little 1 minute oatmeal, and got several different kinds of olives. These are the Manzella olives that are stuffed and, you know, with a little pimento. And then up here we've got some sliced black olives. I didn't know they were gluten-free. That's good to know. Are these black olives? Yes. Okay. Then we have another big jar of salad olives, the green olives. Then we have some sliced golden Greek pepperoncini peppers. So the idea behind these is, y'all probably have seen already, the grinder sandwich that has been like all the rage on TikTok and Instagram. Besides putting this like in salads and stuff, we're gonna do like our own version of that sandwich, and you'll see a video coming up. I ain't gonna even say coming up, y'all. You gonna see a video on it. Y'all know how we are with these videos. We trying to get them out as we can. All right, so also have some shredded Parmesan. This is the real Parmesan here. And some blue cheese crumbles. I love blue cheese crumbles, y'all, for my salads. Some cream cheese. Picked up 2 of these pepper jack cheese, Monterey Jack with jalapenos, pepper jack. Mild cheddar sliced cheese for our sandwiches, and sharp cheddar. Got some honeycomb back here. How many of y'all eat honeycomb still? I love me a bowl of honeycomb cereal. I love me a bowl of honeycomb cereal. You say a bowl? I did say a bowl. A bowl. And then, of course, these are my cereal. Marcellus is not here to eat them up, so I might be able to eat them by myself. Honey Bunches of Oats. And then we've got some sour cream. And up under here, we've got some ricotta. That's going to be for the ricotta cheese for the vegetable lasagna. Back here, we've got 4 zucchinis. Several dishes should come out of these 4. Or not even like main course meals. They could be some side dishes should come out of this. Then we've got a bag of onions. So a couple of red onions. A purple, 3. Then we got a cantaloupe back here. 2 of the 45 ounce of Smart Balance butter. For some reason, my store, they don't carry this big one very often. So when they do, I try to get 2. Up here, we've got some false advertisement, y'all. This is some smoked provolone cheese for like our pizzas. Y'all saw the crust earlier. Look how much this little disc of cheese was. $6.07. I swore that this was bigger than this. They get you, man. They get you. We've got some green onion back here. I picked up 2 green onions. Then we've got 2 heads of green leaf lettuce here. And we've got 3 of these vegetable egg rolls. I think Curtis already, you put the other ones up? Okay, well then they're over there, but we've got 3. Then back here, we've got some whole milk. Reduced fat milk. This is the same milk we always get. And then I should have 2 heavy creams here. And then back there is some orange juice. And I thought about the producer, y'all. He don't like pulp in his orange juice, so no pulp. All right, now back here, I'm gonna move some of this down and you can start putting that away. Back, what? I think I can put something down with it. You see? Oh, no. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay. Over here, we've got some fajita vegetable blend. Vegetables, and it's just, bell peppers and onions. And then I should have 2 of these super sweet corn, actually 3 of these super sweet corns. This is all frozen vegetables, y'all. I have 1 bag of zucchini and 1 bag of yellow squash. And then I should have 2 or 3 of these broccoli carrots with water chestnut blend. This stuff right here is really good. I've got 2 baby broccolis, baby florets. And then here is a broccoli blend for stir fry. It has mushrooms in it. Y'all see the mushrooms and carrots and celery. Celery is in here. I think celery is in here. Don't let me lie, y'all. No, celery is in this one, the blend back here. All right, and then I also have some carrots, corn, and red pepper blend. So these are all really good, like mixed vegetables. If you don't like the old school mixed vegetables that have the lima beans in it, which I don't care for lima beans, this kind of substitutes that for me. What else is over here? And last but not least, we have several of these Glade scents. I guess I'll show y'all what I have. That was Aqua Wave. We have the Bubble Berry Splash. Y'all know these are just like $1, so we picked up kind of 1 of each. I left out like the apple and cinnamon. I don't really like that scent, but Coastal Sunshine Citrus. This is a new one that I have not smelled before, so I'm excited to smell that one. Y'all know that old school, gotta catch the clutch, Hawaiian Breeze. And then you got some clean linen. Some lavender and vanilla, that smells really good. And then Tranquil Lavender Aloe. Exotic Tropical Blossoms. And last but not least, Cashmere Woods. All right, so what is that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. That's 9 Glade scents. We are out. So, Alright y'all, so if you like to see more videos like this, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure that you turn on your post notifications so that you're updated every time we upload a new video. And we will see y'all. That's the grocery haul with no meat. On the next video. Peace.
There's something juvenile about your pretty face, but it seems so hard for you to know when you need